Hey, what's up guys, this is Mr. Boris,
Ladies
and
and
today I'm
gentlemen,
going to show you guys how to
I'm your
fix
DJ.
squeaky
This is
on
one
trucks,
DJ you
on
don't
your
want to fuck with.
skateboard or skateboard, or any type of truck shit.
Look up in the
So,
sky and you will see me
what you
fly.
need
I
to
said,
do, you gotta do,
my.
you don't
No,
really
I'm
need
not
to
afraid,
take
I'm
this
not
off, but
afraid to die.
yeah,
My.
and
Look
try
up
to
in
get
the sky and
wax,
you will see
get
me
wax,
fly.
or
I
if you
said,
don't have wax, what I did was I had
no,
this
I'm not afraid, I'm not afraid to
candles.
die.
There's a decorated candle and it's like wax. So I just cut it off. I was scratching it so it came off. So it get like little tiles.
No, no, not afraid, not afraid to die.
Don't stuff it like all the way. Like don't fill it up. I mean, like you need to kind of stuff it in the bottom. Get a little more.
Oh my.
And we'll
Look
use
up
this
in the
to
sky
also.
and you will see me fly. I said, oh my.